Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Girls Who Struggle to Gain Weight. Hi friends, for those people out there, I am not specifically concerned about females in this video, but even males can follow this if they are struggling to gain weight. To remain healthy, it is essential to have body weight that is proportionate to your height. Your ideal body weight depends on your height, age, and gender. Too little or too much weight has negative impacts on your health. While most people struggle with obesity, many people are underweight too. Being underweight can be due to excessive physical activity, skipping meals, too much fasting, emotional stress, genetic factors, lack of sleep, a weak digestive system, and some diseases like cancer, tuberculosis, diabetes, hormonal imbalances, hyperthyroidism, or anorexia. It's important to take steps to increase your body weight. Being underweight can lead to bone loss, heart problems, infertility, anemia, a weak immune system, and frequent illness. Proper diet and exercise can help you gain weight. There are also certain medicines that can aid the effort. Instead of taking medicines and supplements, you can opt for some simple home remedies to help you gain weight and move the scale toward your optimum level. Home remedies to aid weight gain. Here are the top 10 home remedies to aid weight gain. Number 1. Figs. Figs are mainly made of polyunsaturated fats, which add healthy calories to your diet. Also, figs contain a good amount of carbohydrates that will help you gain weight. Soak 5 to 6 dried figs in water overnight. The next day, eat them in 2 parts during the day. Do this daily for about a month. Alternatively, soak 2 dried figs overnight in milk and eat it before breakfast. Follow this routine for 2 months. Number 2. Raisins. Raisins are rich in essential fatty acids that help with weight gain. Plus, raisins provide important nutrients to the body. Eat about 1/5 cup of dried raisins throughout the day for about a month. This is one of the easiest ways to gain weight. Alternatively, soak 1/5 cup of raisins and 5 to 6 dried figs in water overnight. The following day, eat them in 2 parts. Follow this routine for about a month. Number 3. Clarified Butter. Clarified butter is an excellent source of saturated fat and calories. Hence, it can increase your body weight. Plus, clarified butter helps your body absorb more vitamins and minerals that help lubricate stiff joints and give your skin a healthy glow. Mix 1 tablespoon of clarified butter with 1 tablespoon of sugar. Eat this mixture twice daily, at least 30 minutes before eating your lunch and dinner. Follow this routine for a month. Number 4. Mangoes. Mangoes are a delicious, juicy fruit that are rich in minerals and vitamins and free of sodium, cholesterol, and fat. The body stores the fructose from the mango as energy and fat, thus helping you put on weight. But eating mangoes alone will not aid weight gain. You need to eat them along with milk. Simply drink a mango milkshake twice daily for a month. Alternatively, eat 1 ripe mango followed by a glass of milk. Do this 2 or 3 times a day for a month. Number 5. Potatoes. Potatoes are a rich source of carbohydrates and complex sugars. So including more potatoes in your diet will ensure weight gain. Eat 1 serving of grilled or baked potato daily for 1 or 2 months. You can also prepare potato chips at home in a healthy oil like olive oil and have them just twice a week for 1 or 2 months. Number 6. Eggs. Eggs contain a good amount of calories, fat and protein, and are a popular food among people who wish to increase their weight. The protein in eggs give the bodybuilding blocks for muscles, while the fat provides energy. For best results, eat more of the egg white than the egg yolk. Simply eat the white part of about 3 or 4 eggs daily. You can eat egg white omelets or scrambled egg whites for breakfast daily for at least 1 month. Note: do not eat raw eggs, which can cause serious health problems. Number 7. Bananas. Bananas have a good amount of calories that will give you an instant energy lift and help you gain weight. Eat 1 to 2 ripe bananas for breakfast, then drink a glass of warm milk mixed with a little sugar and 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Follow this breakfast routine for a month. Number 8. Almonds. Almonds are rich in polyunsaturated fats, which add healthy calories to your diet. Add 3 almonds, 2 dates and 1 dried fig to a glass of milk and boil it. Allow it to cool and then strain the milk. Drink the warm milk and eat the boiled almonds, figs and dates. Do this daily for 1 or 2 months. Number 9. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is an excellent choice for gaining weight because it is high in calories and carbohydrates. You can add peanut butter to many foods to add more calories to your diet. You can spread a spoonful of peanut butter on fruits or vegetables. You can add it to your milkshake or smoothie. You can spread peanut butter on a slice of whole wheat bread. Number 10. Beans. Beans are one of the best calorie-dense foods to help with weight gain. Plus, beans are high in protein, carbohydrates and fiber. Beans can be eaten any time of the day, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even as a snack. For weight gain, you can eat a variety of beans like black beans, red beans, lima beans, soybeans, lentils, and kidney beans. Prepare bean soup or bean salad and have them fresh daily for 1 or 2 months. Try some of these home remedies until you reach your desired weight. Plus, you need to follow a proper exercise routine. You can consult a trainer to find out what type of exercise promotes increased body weight. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.